question number 2. So I'm going to have to do the same thing, get a common denominator between x plus 3 and x minus 1. And the common denominator will be just x plus 3 times x minus 1. So let me just, oh wow, that was a terrible line. It's better. So x plus 3, and then we're subtracting x plus 3 all over x minus 1. Okay, so why did I give myself so much room here? Well, because I want to multiply the first fraction by x minus 1 over x minus 1. Of course, we need to multiply top and bottom, otherwise we're going to mess things up. And over on the right side here, on this fraction, we're going to multiply it by x plus 3 over x plus 3. That way, both denominators are the same, and we have a common denominator. And why is that useful at all? Because now we can just combine everything into the same fraction. So the bottom will be, once again, just the common denominator, x plus 3 times x minus 1. And the top will be 2x times x minus 1 minus x plus 3 times x plus 3. Great, now let's simplify. Expand and simplify. So I can distribute the 2x times x, 2x squared, 2x times negative 1, negative 2x. And here I'm just going to leave the negative outside for now, and just expand the x plus 3 times x plus 3. 3, I mean. And I'm just going to skip this step, actually, the FOILing step, which will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. If you have any doubts about that, of course, you can check out polynomials on our website. And that's just all over. The same thing as before, of course, x plus 3 times x minus 1. Great. Now I will distribute the negative, and there's a hidden 1 here, into the trinomial. So over here we get just 2x squared minus 2x. Now we get negative x squared minus 6x minus 9. All because of this negative 1 here that is outside, of course. Again, all over just x plus 3 times x minus 1. And finally, we can combine all these elements, add like terms. So 2x squared minus x squared is just x squared. Negative 2x minus 6x, negative 8x, and just minus 9. I think I jinxed myself because this actually factors out nicely, and I had said before that it wouldn't, or that I thought it wouldn't. And I'm running out of room again. So this is what we have so far. At this point, you're basically done, but because that actually turns out to simplify nicely, I will do so. And by simplify, I mean just factor. X squared minus 8x minus 9. Actually, let me give myself a little bit more room. I'm just going to continue over here. I'm going to make some lines here for the final answer. Sorry about that, it's kind of messy. I hope that you enjoying the video. Okay, so here we have x squared minus 8x minus 9 all over this. So x squared minus 8x minus 9 factors into x minus 9 times x plus 1, because negative 9 plus 1, negative 8, negative 9 times 1, negative 9. And of course, still all over x plus 3 times x minus 1. As I said before, as I mentioned before already, we're not always going to be able to simplify or factor the top like that nicely like this. This was just a bit of a coincidence. But if we're able to factor it, great, we can do that. But right now we're done, and these are our final answers. That's it.